How to add the Google Wallet shortcut to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, make sure you have already installed Google Wallet. It is not installed by default. So if you would like to use Google Wallet, make sure you have it installed on your device. Okay, after that, we go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on wallpaper and style. And then tap on the lock screen wallpaper. At the bottom here, you want to tap on one of the two shortcuts available, the left shortcut or the right shortcut. So tap on that. And then from the list here, scroll down and choose your Google Wallet. So here you can see if I select Waze, for example, you want to replace the icon with Google Wallet. So here I will select Google Wallet and then tap on the Done button to save the changes. After that, go to your lock screen, and now you can swipe on the Google Wallet to open it. Now before you can use Google Wallet, you need to verify your lock screen. So put in the PIN or a fingerprint unlock. And from here, your Google Wallet will open, ready for you to make a payment or use your loyalty card program. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.